Suppose this concrete slab is flat against this one. The horizontal bead is in the center. Prove that this embedded part and this floor slab are in a horizontal state. How to locate the position of the upper floor slab? Get a level first. Turn on the laser level. Open line. Well, you'll see a red dot down there. The red dot down there. Right into the center of our horizontal bead. This one reflects across. This center is the center point of the pre-event tracking on the upper floor. And then we use a hand drill. The eye of this intersection is right in the center of the embedded part, almost no error. The eye of this intersection is right in the center of the embedded part. In this way, the embedded parts are vertical up and down. Almost no error.